Welcome back to Data Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall chart in Google Sheets. This function is also available in Excel, but today I'm going to show you the tutorial in Google Sheets. So first of all, why might you want a waterfall chart? Well, this waterfall chart and this little table here show the exact same information, but it's a lot more visually appealing and easier to look at the waterfall chart, as you can quite easily see the starting point, the different events that have occurred, and how much money they've resulted in. Businesses often use these in PowerPoints as opposed to a table because it's a bit more visually engaging for the audience, and it also gives a good size of just how much every little event is worth. So for example, if you could only pick to do 2 of these 4 incentives based on the value that they bring to the business, you'd probably pick the closed 10 stores and the offer next day delivery. So what I'll do is I'll delete this and we'll get going and we'll create one together. So to begin with, I've got a fictional clothing shop called Data Simplified Clothing, and our monthly profit is currently £10,000. However, I've got a few incentives to boost that up a bit. I'm going to offer next day delivery, which is worth to me £5,000. I'm going to use less plastic, which is worth £750. I'm going to close 10 stores, which is worth £8,000, and I'm going to charge for returns, which is worth £2,000. And I want to present this to some investors so that I can get some more investment in the business. So I want a nice waterfall chart to show that to them. So to start off with, I'm just going to highlight all of the data in the table, and I'm going to click Insert, Chart, and then as expected, Google Sheets has been intuitive again, and it's decided to pick the chart that it thinks that I want, which in this case is a pie chart. So all I'm going to do is click on Pie Chart on the drop down, scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see our little waterfall chart, even brings up the name for you. So just click on that one and we get a waterfall chart. However, it does have this big ugly grey subtitle column. Now you guys might like this, in which case feel free to leave it. I personally don't, because I don't think it adds any value to my visual representation. So I'm going to click on the subtitle column. Then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then I'm going to uncheck this box that says Add Subtitle After Last Value in Series. And that gets rid of that. The next thing I'm going to do, I don't really think this legend's very relevant because all of our values are positive and we've just deleted the subtitle column. So having subtitle negative up there adds absolutely no value to the graph. So I'm going to click on that, and where it says Position, I'm going to click the drop down and I'm going to select None. And that then gets rid of that. You can, of course, as I showed in a previous video, change the colours, add a title, and all those kinds of things to your graph. And if you are interested in doing those, what I'll do is I'll link my graph tutorial for Google Sheets in the description box, and I'll put it at the end of this video as well.